Ever wonder what truly sets a champion apart? Is it skill, strength, or integrity? Welcome to FairTrack, where true athletic excellence is rooted in fairness. FairTrack empowers athletes and coaches across India, from bustling cities to remote villages, with trusted resources, multimedia tools, and various other features to promote clean competition. Discover essential links to National Anti-Doping Agency of India, World Anti-Doping Agency, and other official sports agencies, a go-to guide for understanding athletes' rights, responsibilities, and the resources needed to stay clean and competitive. Every athlete has a voice. With the Speak Up initiative, FairTrack encourages athletes to report doping incidents. This courage is crucial for lifeguarding the integrity of sports and securing a fair future for all. In the media library, FairTrack shines a spotlight on the latest news and achievements of Indian athletes, highlighting record breaking performances and inspiring stories that capture the true spirit of sportsmanship. For quick and easy access to support, links to Google Maps and email connect athletes directly to the National Anti Doping Agency of India. At FairTrack, our mission is to equip athletes with knowledge and tools to uphold the spirit of sport. We are building a community that champions integrity, educates on doping risks, and ensures every athlete competes on a level playing field. Our developers team has played a key role in shaping this platform, ensuring it serves as a reliable and accessible resource for athletes and coaches alike. FairTrack offers key links to understand the risks of doping, including health and ethical concerns. Explore our resources on legal considerations and find support services available for athletes seeking guidance to compete clean and with integrity. FairTrack features engaging learning modules, quizzes, games, puzzles, and fun facts, all designed to make education enjoyable. Join discussion forums to deepen understanding and connect with fellow athletes on important topics. Challenge yourself with our quiz and climb the leaderboard. In the memory game, discover a fact about doping upon matching a paired set of cards. In this prototype game, players make a choice at different life stages that impact health, personality, and happiness. As they reach the age of joining sports, these choices influence relationships, assets, and financial well being. In the stories section, watch compelling stories about doping available in multiple Indian languages.
In the relentless pursuit of victory, the temptation to take shortcuts can be strong. Performance enhancing drugs promise speed, strength, and success.
जीत की रेस में शॉर्टकट्स लेने का लालच बहुत ज्यादा होता है। परफॉर्मेंस एनहांसिंग ड्रग्स स्पीड, स्ट्रेंथ और सक्सेस का वादा करती हैं, लेकिन जो ये तुम्हें नहीं दिखाती वो है इसका असली दाम।
For inquiries, support, or information, we have provided a contact section. This brings us to the end of our introduction to FairTrack. Thank you.